Hey there, thanks for watching my Feedley review by Goodluck Efe, where I'm not just going to walk you through this sales page or show you the demo video like a lot of other marketers do. I'm Susie, I'll be your affiliate marketing informant today. This review is based on my honest opinion of actually logging into the dashboard myself, and I'm going to take you with me as we research this platform, the strategy they want you to use, and any problems that I see with it. If you are looking for honest and ethical ways to make money online, be sure to click our instant access link in the description below. If you find value in this video, be sure to give it a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you'll know when our next video comes out. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I'll be happy to answer them for you as soon as I can. Now, let's see what Feedley promises us. Attention! Want to generate passive income the same way the top viral sites are doing it? Today, you can use their breakthrough platform to create an empire of profitable niche websites that generate traffic and income without having to write any content. No content creation required, passive profit system, and commercial rights included. If we scroll down, we do see some cut and paste proof of profits that we don't know where they come from. And it's going to be 3 easy steps. Step 1 is that you curate. You're going to enter a keyword and get tons of viral content from top sources in any niche of your choice. Then you're going to edit your post, insert ad codes, affiliate links, CPA offers, etc. And step 3 is that you're going to publish your post instantly to start attracting free viral traffic and generating passive profits. Let's take a look. So first thing when we come in, they have all of these functions and there is absolutely no training to be found. So far, the only thing I have found is a 3-minute demo video that looks like it cuts off at the end, and there should be so much more training behind it. What I have figured out is that if you come in to the JV Access button at the top right, you'll go to your sites, and you can either create a new or choose the one that you want to work on. I have already created one that we're going to work on today. They do give you the option to come in here and customize this site. Some functions, such as navigation, you will actually want to make categories and pages first so that you can adjust any navigation. So some of these, like category, are ones that you would want to come in and adjust first. I don't see any problems with the program other than you're going to have to figure out what affects what in the page, and that's just going to take some time. They do give you the option to view your site so you can toggle in between the two as you're adjusting. But here's the big problem with Feedley. If you're going to curate a post, what they're doing here is called content hijacking. So you select a post source. If we look at these are all reputable news websites and companies, and I know for a fact that CNN does not allow this type of behavior. So what do I mean by content hijacking? Kim has done a video linked above because there have been so many products that have been put out on the market that do this, and it is dangerous. So content hijacking is a strategy to use other people's content to promote your own content. You add your own advertisement, call to action button, or affiliate link on top of someone else's content. So when we come into Feedley to curate this post, I'm just going to use Bloomberg, choose a category I've already made, and we'll search for money. I can choose any of these articles, and there is an option to load more, and then you would add the post. It's been added successfully. Now I've already taken this post and done some adjustments to it, so let's take a look on the website. This is the website that you are going to make with Feedley, and if we take a look at the URL, which is xyz.feedley.io, you do have the option to brand the beginning of this for your business, but it is still owned by feedley.io. You will still be advertising for them when you use this product because people will see that and associate that with your business name. And if this product has any service issues and goes down, you don't own it, so you have no control over it until it gets back up and running. If you're going to take the time and the effort to do something like this, go ahead and own your own domain for something ridiculous like less than $10 a year and do this on your domain. So if there are any issues, you do control that and you can fix it. Throughout this page, there are places for AdSense codes. I have not seen any of the previously made websites with any codes or ads in there, so I don't know what they would look like, and I cannot show that to you. Here is the original article that I took from Bloomberg, and if we scroll down, you see only a sentence and a half, and then it takes you directly to the source. So you're sending a website to people that is immediately going to send them to another website to get the rest of that information. If I am diverted to a website like this, I'm going to stay here and continue to look. Chances are I'm not going to come back to this website. If you do choose to come in and edit this article, as you scroll down, you realize there is only a sentence or so. I took the original article and rewrote it with an article spinner that they have provided. I am not 100% sold on any article spinner to date. Feel free to check out the video linked above to find out the ugly truth about why I'm not impressed. You also can take words in here and add a link if you would like to send them to a different link or a URL from here. And this is where we start getting into trouble with copyright infringement and content hijacking. Because you hijacked this article from its original source, that is copyright infringement. The penalties for copyright infringement can range from $200,000 to $150,000 for each work infringed. Can you imagine being charged $200,000 to $150,000 because you copied a sentence and a half of each of these works? Because they could sue you for that. And the thing is, not only will you pay the actual dollar amount of damages or profits, you will have the fine, and you will also pay for all attorney's fees and court costs, up to even going to jail. So is a website that looks like this worth that to you? We look at the article again. They do give you the option here to share to Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, LinkedIn, and Pinterest. These would be shared to your current existing lists on all of these profiles. Who is on your Twitter list? Is that friends and family? People you like to send funny memes to? Or is it people that know you're in affiliate marketing? They listen to your recommendations and they like to buy things that you recommend to them. If that is not the case with these, you will get no extra traffic. And if we look in the settings, in the general, they also have social media settings in here. WhatsApp is missing, however, VK URL is here. So there's another one that they add in. But again, if you don't have a list of people ready to buy from you, nobody's going to see this site. And if they do see this site, you're immediately sending them away. If one of your ad codes or ads does not catch their eye before they're sent away, will they ever even get down to giving a reaction so you get interaction? Or leaving comments so that you can speak with them, or all the way down to your subscribe button, which lives at the bottom? Are you going to get any leads from this? They do have automating on the articles and the videos. Again, this would be pulling from Bloomberg or CNN on the curated post, or on the video, it would be YouTube, Vimeo, Dailymotion, or Facebook. You would be taking other people's content, adding a link or an ad code, and monetizing it. And that is against copyright laws. And that is the Feedley dashboard. So if we look at our site one more time, what is the strategy that Feedley is trying to get us to use? They are giving us the option to make a niche news article website that we do not own, with one sentence articles that automatically send them to another site, where they give you the option to share this on your current existing social media lists, hoping and praying that somebody on these lists will see an ad before they get sent to another site and possibly buy something from you so you can make a commission. All the while risking copyright infringement laws and angering any of these big corporations like CNN, Bloomberg, CNBC, who have the money, the time, and the lawyers to sue you, and then you will have to pay the expensive court costs. Is this worth it? The pricing for Feedley, on the front end, it's going to be $17. They are calling this the elite version. Upsell number 1 is going to be your pro. That's going to be where you are able to automate to possibly get yourself in even more trouble. Upsell number 2 is $197. This is your agency and reseller. Upsell number 3 is $197, done for you setup. Upsell number 4 is another $197 with done for you traffic. What are they going to give you? More social media sharing buttons? Upsell number 5 is $297, and that is your white label. All total, Feedley is going to cost you $972, and that's just paying for the product. If you get sued and have to pay any of those court costs or get in any kind of trouble, it will be infinitely more money. Guys, Feedley is not going to generate any traffic or income without a social media list of people that want to buy from you. There is no content creation required because you are actually content hijacking different sites, and they're calling the subscribe button on the bottom right a built-in lead generation system. Please do not waste your time, your money, or your effort on Feedley. I hope this Feedley review answered all of your questions, and if you're looking for honest and ethical ways to make money online, be sure to click our instant access link in the description below. If you found value in this video, please give it a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you'll know when our next video comes out. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching!